What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Spike back here with another video, man. I start the video, I always gotta give my thanks to God just for letting me be here, be able to do what I do. You feel me? Back to the video. I got something special for y'all for this little video right here. A little shoe customization video. So right here I got these Air Force Ones, you feel me? For the Pacific colorway, all I know is that they white, black with a bronze swoosh, and I think that's cold. I got these from my cousin. He couldn't fit them, my bad. He couldn't fit these joints, so I took these off his hand, you feel me? I cleaned them up a little bit, got some of the creasing out. You see it's still a little bit creasing in there, but I think I just want to customize these, do something fun with them. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We go figure out at the same time, you feel me? Well, thank you for the 87 subscribers, man. Grateful for each and every last one of y'all, man, because in the beginning of somebody's YouTube career, a lot of people don't want to support them, you feel me? So I thank all y'all for supporting me, man. And when we get to the top, like I said in my last video, I'm not gonna forget y'all. I'm gonna continue to give y'all shout outs, and I'm gonna show y'all love and all that. Y'all rock with me, I rock with y'all. Straight up. And let's get this thing pop. Pretty much got the shoes done. Now the last thing to do is to put these laces in. So let's do that, and then I'm gonna show y'all a full montage of the finished product. You feel me? Let's go. Yeah, man, that's that for that video, man. I hope y'all enjoy that. In this video, I just did something light, man. I did New Orleans because it kind of reminded me of the Saints, you feel me? So it kind of gave me that New Orleans vibe. And right here, it just says faith in Chinese letters. Proverbs 10 and 4. If you're lazy, it's gonna lead to failure. All hard work leads to profit. New Orleans, Spike. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with some more art videos if that's what y'all want to see, man. God bless y'all. Nobody told you I love you, but most importantly, God loves you. So with that being said, go hug somebody, go love somebody, go do your thing. It's your boy Spike, and we out.